Kasengaro Indigenous Development Federation berkentubru ya Garo State Movement kila kenno bakadan kajing khaido yong ka bashar khai bha na ki than jong Garo District bat kumjuru amtang bakadan kajing khai be a yau doyong ne ka danru kajing lumpisa ka bacur bha karadu bakawi koi katrok ha bansi hadu silak sitang na di silak andru foja tingka manla ka sien bakakit doyong haki benta ki bafer la kalong ki khardop la kalong ki jaka syakali bat kui de ki jaka ki biya jadu Garo Hills batket yaudo yong segi pat ki benta jaka jalla bat kumduru sabar jong jalla habe kere bekla thai khobor manta kasngi khasantare ukral got ajar huai kini ngelam jeki ki arkan huon kala kenno bagani kajing lumpisa be an kala kata shibon ye ki driver truck berkamjuru ya kena khairu yong namar bakani ke pisa baro ka bakilalum kadi ke bala chulum be an ora kini ke truck kila biang ki chalan bat ke kot kisla ke babet ke biang kila kenno ru bagani ke pisa ke bakilalum kam di setia ka bala ki bos sarkar rai kale shiki bri shimat berkamjuru tangki katukan ngot ki bri ke wajan ki bos sarkar.
And as per the report from the coal trucks owners, the State District Mineral Resources, Danadubi, has been collecting 6,000 to 8,000 per truck from the owners, even though they have a chalan also. Then the Motor Vehicle Inspector Sarangma collecting 16,000 to 19,500, but day before yesterday they are collecting 22,000. Even though if they have a chalan also, even though if they fine also, but still also they're still collecting more and more. Another 5 point is that the chalan has been openly been selling for the cost of 75,000 to 80,000 chalan. Mineral transport chalan has been selling for 75 to 80,000 openly market in the Danadubi area. So it's a great embarrassment to the government, as well as a great loss for the truck owners also. And even though there is no strict from the Meghalaya government, it's a very great embarrassment to the government also, and it's affecting the society also. So I've already submitted a complaint issue to the Chief Minister to take to form and constitute a committee to inquire how far it is true, and if there is a true fact, then the government must take a legal action against them.